Hello and welcome to Preston Audi. My name is Charlotte and today we're taking around this approved choose, a 2022 edition Audi A1 Sportback that is fresh in stock. It does come complemented in the desired metallic glacier white paintwork, housing your petrol engine and manual transmission, making it an ideal nippy city upgrade or even as a first car, with plenty of top features to help you out on the open road, including your automatic LED headlights for enhanced visibility, parking sensors, and even the added protection of your power folding wing mirrors. The boot does offer plenty of space for all of your daily essentials, whilst the comfortable cloth upholstery offers style and convenience with your fitted ISOFIX points to help you when installing those car seats. Moving into the front, you will find your multifunctional steering wheel for added convenience, with access to your central touch display for endless entertainment, and again the comfort of your stylish cloth trim. To seamlessly navigate around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, various audio, and even your telephone connection, with the added bonus of your cruise control and limiter features. Moving across, you do have a similar access to your variation of radio stations, telephone connection, and again vital driving data. You do also have further safety features with your driving assistance, including your lane departure warning. This is followed by your main climate controls, various power outlets, and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.